body lift 2.5 inch. Here's a rear axle, new fuel pump that was put in by the guy who did the power brakes as well. He resealed both axles. It's got the single gauge. Everything works. The fuel only goes to about just above half. Temperature works perfectly. Speedo works perfectly. Lights all work. The brights work as well on the foot. It does. This used to be a manual. You can see the pedal there. But it is an automatic. Here, starts right up, travels down the road. If you want a driving video, let me know. But all right, that's pretty much it. I mean, no horn, which is easy enough. No, it's very clean. There's no other gauges, no heat, no AC, no radio. But you can add it. It does have the hookup. You can add if you want. No wipers. Again, not needed for. I've never needed it. I have the top, the soft top, Bestop, with the doors, soft doors. You get the graphics. You get the back seat, obviously, and fire extinguisher. And everything else that was included in the listing. So if you have any other questions, let me know.